Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Rouvy companion app. Alright, we have writing mode. So the moment you hit start write on your tablet or computer or PC or something, this companion app will automatically flip into the write mode. So from the saddle you can use your phone to control the following. So you can control basically virtual shifting uh, directly on your phone, that you can shift gears smoothly if you have enabled on-screen virtual shifting. Then you can check all the camera angles, or you can look behind you without reaching for your computer keyboard. Then you have options to pause, resume, completely stop, and save your ride directly from your handlebars. And you can track your avatar progress on profile map to see upcoming hills and descents and so on. Then off the bike, we have planning and analytics. So when you aren't cycling, the companion app functions as your personal portal to manage your Rouvy profile. So if you check right here under the training or me right here, you will see all the right statistics and also the training right here. Um, so yeah, you can check everything that you have here. Uh, so average power weekly, monthly, uh, weekly, okay. Then what we also have, we can ride frequency. We have here some ride frequency, then distance, elevation, time, calories. Then we can also check recent activities. Um, we can also set some goals. As you can see here, uh, we have also custom plans right over here. Training score, which is probably for someone important. Here under me, we will see basically just time frame from where to where. So we have last 30 days and we will compare it with prior 30 days. And yeah, this is basically how you can use your app. We can also search here for the routes. If we want, we can also go here to the home tab, and here you have basically all the routes, challenges, events, workouts, training plans, and you can basically start to join the plan. And here you can preview the workouts which you will have in these 4 weeks. And yeah, this is pretty much it, how to use um, Rouvy companion app. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.